Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're gonna clean out the chicken coop, giving them some mealworm treats. If you've seen one of the previous videos earlier this year, we started out with 3 chickens. I had never owned chickens before, and we originally, the people we bought them from thought that all 3 were hens. Turned out one is a rooster, but we're happy to have them here as well. So I'll sprinkle in some mealworm treats. Yeah, they really love that. And I'll get set up, put some new bedding in their coop, and we'll check for some eggs. Our hens just started laying eggs this last month, so that's been pretty exciting. So, I don't know about anyone else, if you own chickens, and I found that just using a regular snow shovel works best for getting the chicken doo-doo out of the coop here. Well, we even have 1 egg waiting for us already. As you can see, their doo-doo needs to be cleaned out. Isn't that right? Yeah. Hi, guys. So we got most everything cleaned out. and just put in the loader bucket there. I have a pile of it off to the side, and we'll get some new bedding and put that in there, and they should be good for another 2 to 3 weeks anyway. All right, so I got a little bit of bedding in there. I have to open up another bag, but that's good for now. Both hens tend to use this far left nesting box. Mr. Rooster here, Feathers, is checking out my handiwork. And sounds like maybe the ladies approve too. Well, just let me know in the comments below if what you might use to clean out your chicken coops, if you have chickens. Also a good time to hit the like button, and also consider subscribing to my channel. As time allows, I plan to keep expanding on this channel, offering more videos, and we'll be getting a different camera too soon. So again, stay tuned, and thanks for watching.